Hi, we're here to read Seagull and Sea Dragon today. Imagine a seagull and a sea dragon meeting each other. I wonder what they would say. I am a seagull. Every day I fly high in the sky, and every day I wonder, what's it like down beneath the water? Some things seem a little familiar. Are those sea trees? Do all sea trees have beaks? Some things are mysterious. Are those sea lanterns? How do they stay lit underwater? I have so many questions, and there is so much I don't know. I am a sea dragon. Every day I swim deep in the sea, and every day I wonder, what's it like up there in the sky? Some things seem so different. Is that a school of skyfish? Their fins are so big. Some things are a bit magical. Look, are those giant bubbles? Why would they be floating out of the water? I have so many questions, and there's so much I don't know. Sometimes it makes me feel scared. You're a sea tree. You're a skyfish. Wait, what? No, I'm not. I'm a seagull. I'm a sea dragon. I'm not a sea tree, but there is something like it. Coral. I'm not a skyfish, but seagulls travel together like fish do. We're called a flock. Those lights you see are really moon jellyfish. They are beautiful. And those giant bubbles are hot air balloons. Sometimes I see humans riding in them. Wait, what? Wow, your leaves really look shiny up close. Why do your scales look so fluffy? These are feathers. They are kind of like scales, but they help us fly. These aren't leaves, they are fins. They're kind of like your wings, and they help us swim. I'd love to hear more about the sky, and I'd love to hear more about the sea. I'm so glad I get to talk to you. I can't wait to learn more, but there's one more thing I want to say. Nice to meet you. And that is the story of Seagull and Sea Dragon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, how are you? We have our story back about Seagull and Sea Dragon. And they were getting a little confused about, are those skyfish or are those sea trees? And I can understand maybe sometimes you get a little confused. But our friends, Seagull and Sea Dragon, would definitely agree that these are shells. And they come from the ocean. That's something they could definitely agree on. And sometimes they're really big. And sometimes they have different colors on the inside, depending upon what's been going on. And they're all beautiful. And sometimes they're a little bit smaller. You can tell the colors are different on the insides here too. And sometimes they're broken. There's nothing you can do, but they're beautiful too. So what I suggest to you today is get out some markers if you have a shell at home. Sometimes you need the thicker markers. Sometimes you need the thinner markers. See? Thinner and thicker. And decorate your shell. Take your shell, put all your favorite colors on them. Maybe you want to draw some pictures. And that way you can even turn your imperfect shells into something really beautiful. And I want to ask you to make sure you tell me and show me about your shells, okay? Post your pictures for me. Bye-bye.